Hi, this is Vanessa. In this quick video, we are learning how to work the Tunisian reverse stitch. So I have a Tunisian crochet hook or an Afghan hook. It's 10 millimeters thick and some super bulky weight yarn. So I'll start with a slip knot. So you want to start by chaining any number of stitches. I'm going to chain 10 for this tutorial. So that's 1, 2, 5, 9, 10. Okay, so into the second stitch right here. Okay, that's your first, that's the second from the hook. This actually counts as a stitch. We're going to turn our chain stitch and work into the second stitch through the back hump. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Okay, into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and you will continue inserting your hook into the next stitch and pulling up a loop all the way across. And at the end, you should have the same number of loops on your hook as you did when you chained your chain stitches. Okay, so I should have 10 loops on my hook. Okay, so this is my last one. Okay, so now you want to work your return pass with your chain 1, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Now you want to yarn over and pull through 2. So just yarning over and pulling through 2 stitches at a time, all the way back to the other side. Okay, so now we have 1 loop on our hook, and we are going to start the reverse stitch. So in the simple stitch, you work through the vertical bars in the front right there. With the reverse stitch, you want to turn your work and work through the back bar. Okay, so turn and insert through the back loop, yarn over, pull through, and remember we never work on the first one because that's the first stitch right there. The first loop counts as a stitch. So continue to insert your hook through the back loop, yarn over, and pulling up a loop. Just repeat that all the way across. Okay, so when you get to the last one, insert through 2 loops, or insert through those 2 side loops right there, just like you would if you were doing your simple stitch in the front, and pull up a loop. Okay, so now you want to work your return pass starting with the chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back across until you have 1 loop on your hook. Okay, 1 more. Alright, so that is the repeat. You want to work your forward pass, working through the back loop, starting at the second loop, and then just continue that all the way across, working into the back loops. Okay, remember to go through 2 loops in the back and pull up a loop. Okay, return pass, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 at a time. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple, right? I'll go ahead and work a few more rows and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm ready to cast off. So now I just worked a return pass, and I'm going to start casting off. So working into the second loop, just like you have been in this pattern, yarn over, pull through, and now you want to pull through the loop on your hook. So into the next one, okay, right there, pull through and through. You're working a slip stitch through the back of your work. Okay, so your last edge, go through 2 loops, pull through and through. Cut that off. Alright, so that is your Tunisian reverse stitch. It's got great texture. And this is what the back looks like. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up.